Hello students, myself Jyoti Kiran, Assistant Professor, Government First Grade College, Tiptur. Today I am going to explain Cayley-Hamilton theorem problems. Problems are Cayley-Hamilton theorem. In the first example, if A is a 3 cross 3 matrix, show by Cayley-Hamilton theorem a to the power of 4 is equal to 2a square minus I. Further deduce that for every positive integer n is greater or equal to 4, then a power of n is equal to a power of n minus 2 plus a cube minus a, hence determine a power of 20. In the solution contains the characteristic equation of a is given by determinant of a minus lambda I is equal to 0. Then write down the determinant, then expand the determinant, we get lambda cube minus lambda square minus lambda plus 1 is equal to 0. By Cayley-Hamilton theorem, replace lambda by a, the equation becomes a cube minus a square minus a plus I is equal to 0. For this equation, multiplying by a on both the side, we get a power of 4 is equal to a cube plus a square minus a. Then again it will becomes a, on simplification we get a power of 4 is equal to 2a square minus I. By the principle of mathematical induction, we shall deduce the result a power of n is equal to a power of n minus 2 plus a cube minus a. So verify the result for n is equal to 4. Here n is greater or equal to 4. Then a power of 4 is equal to a square plus a cube minus a. Again this can be written as a square plus a minus I minus a. So on simplification we get a power of 4 is equal to 2a square minus I plus a minus a get cancelled, which is same as already we have equation 2. Thus the result 3 is true for n is equal to 4. In the next step in the mathematical induction, assume the result 3 is true for n is equal to m. That is a power of m is equal to a power of m minus 2 plus a power of 3 minus a. To prove the result for n is equal to m plus 1, multiply equation 4 by a on both the sides. Then we get a power of m into a, which is equal to a power of m minus 2a plus a cube a minus a into a. Again it will becomes a power of m into a becomes a power of m plus 1 is equal to a power of m minus 1 plus a power of 4 minus a square. Again this will equal to a power of m plus 1 is equal to a power of m minus 1 plus a cube minus a, which is same as equation 3 when n is equal to m plus 1. Yes, the result is true for all the values of n is equal to m plus 1. Yes, the result a power of n is equal to a power of n minus 2 plus a power of 3 minus a is true for all n is greater or equal to 4. Then to find a power of 20, already we have the equation a power of n. For this equation, putting n is equal to 20, 18, 16 up to 4 in the above equation becomes. So adding these all identities, we get finally a power of 20 is equal to 9a square plus a square minus 9a. Then find out a square, product of the matrix a square. Then again find out a cube by taking a square into a. Finally we get a power of 20. Then next example is using Cayley-Hamilton theorem, find the inverse of the matrix A. Also find the matrix represented by this equation. The characteristic equation of A is given by A minus determinant of A minus lambda is equal to 0. On expanding determinant, we get the cubic equation. By Cayley-Hamilton theorem, we have this equation. For this equation, multiplying by A inverse, we get this equation. From again, consider A square. Find out A square. Then 5A inverse, we get from the 5A inverse, we get A inverse. Then take the given equation. For this equation, a power of 8 is there. They substitute here. plus take a common, then substitute here plus I. On simplifying these equations we get a square plus 2a plus I, which is the quadratic polynomial. Here substitute a square plus 2a plus I. Finally we get this answer. Thank you.